Hi, welcome to LionAI YouTube channel. What if you could turn a single image into a cinematic video with audio in 4 seconds? Right now, Grok Imagine lets you generate videos completely for free. Yes, you can try it without paying anything. At the moment, there are no major restrictions on what kind of videos you can create. That means even 18 plus or naturally styled clips can technically be generated. But remember, this might change in the future. No rules or limits could come anytime. Search Grok or Grok Imagine. Now click Grok Imagine or Grok. Now I select Grok. Firstly, you need to sign up for this, so I click sign up button. I sign up with Google. Now I am redirected to the Grok Imagine page. If you are not redirected to this page, click this button. Then you can see this page. Firstly, I give this prompt to create video and I press this button. Now you can see this Grok AI is generating images. You can see this Grok AI is generating unlimited images. So we can select the image that we need to create. I select this. I like this image, so I click this image. Now then I click this button, make video button. And also you can scroll down and you can see more images like you selected one. And also you can edit the video by typing here. So now I am going to edit the video. You can download this video by clicking this button. You can even create a video using an image provided by Grok. For that, I select this one. So I click this make video button. Now this Grok AI tool generating video. This is generated video. So if you need to change something from this created video, you can type here. And also there are so many options. So I click font. This is funny video. So now I select spicy. I am editing all that.
This journey feels so
This is
tempting.
spicy video. Now I am going to upload image. I select this. You can generate video by uploading image like this.